Detecting flames or fires using a sensor could save your life. This is part 23 of the KEYESTUDIO 37-in-1 sensor kit, the analog digital flame sensor module. I'll use the fritzing software to show you how to connect everything. Here's what you'll need: an Arduino microcontroller, preferably the UNO version or similar, 400 tie point breadboard, a USB cable, the flame sensor module, the passive buzzer module, the flashing LED module, 8 to 18 jumper wires, a small flathead screwdriver, and a flame source such as a lighter, but please use caution, adults only. Place the flame sensor in the middle of the breadboard, connect the pin labeled AO to analog pin A0, connect the pin labeled G to ground, connect the pin labeled plus to 5 volts, connect the pin labeled DO to digital pin 8. Place the passive buzzer module at the top, connect the pin labeled minus to ground, connect the pin labeled S to digital pin 10. Place the flashing LED module at the bottom, connect the pin labeled minus to ground, connect the pin labeled S to digital pin 9. Now here is the real version. Here are the key features of this sensor module. The flame sensor is at the top. It detects flames or wavelengths of light between 760 and 1100 nanometers. The angle of detection captures flames best when the sensor is pointing directly at the flame. I've discovered that the reliable working distance to sense flames are between 2 inches and 3 feet for small flames. The blue square is a 3296 potentiometer that you can adjust to change the trigger values. The L1 LED indicates the circuit board is receiving voltage. The L2 LED turns on when the sensor reading exceeds the threshold value. The LM393 chip is a comparator that checks the threshold value. Next, grab the USB cable connected to the Arduino and then connect to your computer. We'll use the Arduino IDE software for programming the Arduino UNO. Next, upload the following 36 lines of code. Open the serial monitor and observe the values from the sensor. The values should range between 0 and 1023. Place the lighter about 2 inches from the flame sensor and see what happens. Once you get the hang of it, come back and join us for the next module.